Hi everyone! Want to make your home-based birthday party one you'll never forget? When you uniquely decorate your space, you can turn a normal day into a party. The right decorations can make any event fun and exciting. Whether it's a big event or a small get-together, everything, from balloons to posters, helps make the balloon decorations as a way to add color and fun to a birthday party. Balloon ornaments are great. You can use balloons to make towers and garlands, or just toss them around the room. Pick colors that go with the theme of the party. For example, use light colors for a soft look or bright, bold colors for a lively vibe. Some balloons can even be filled with helium or confetti to make them move and add a fun touch to the decorations. Balloons are cheap and can be changed to fit your needs, which makes them a great addition to any home birthday party. Customized banners and signs with personalized flags and signs, your home can become a place to celebrate. You can make a banner with the person's name, age, or a fun party message on it. You can hang it on the door or above the cake table. To make a look that is truly your own, you can use bright paper, fabric, or even digital signs. With personalized signs, you can make the event look more professional and make the guest of honor feel extra special. String lights and fairy lights. String lights or fairy lights can totally change the mood of a room, making it feel magical and happy. You can use them to frame windows and doors, or wrap them around chairs and tables. The soft glow makes you feel warm and cozy, which is great for parties in the evening. You can also hang them over the food stations or cake tables to make those places stand out. Adding colored lights that go with the idea of the party would make it even more fun and give the space more energy. DIY photo booth. Make a fun and interactive place by making your own photo booth. Use fabric, balloons, or related decorations to make a background. And have props like hats, glasses, and signs ready. As an added bonus, set up your phone with a stand so that you can take selfies with ease. This idea not only makes the party look better, but it also makes people want to take pictures, which will be memories they'll have for years to come. Add props to the photo booth that are connected to the birthday person's favorite activities or interests to make it more unique. Themed table settings. Setting the table in a beautiful way can really make the birthday preparations stand out. For your table settings, pick a theme. This could be a favorite color or pattern, a character or hobby, or something else. Plates, cups, napkins, and utensils should all have a theme. Putting flowers, candles, or a special item in the middle of the table can make it stand out. A one-of-a-kind, well-organized table is the room's center point and brings everything together. This little thing helps make the mood at your birthday party both classy and fun. Birthday cake and dessert table. Set up a dessert table to give the party cake and other treats in their place. Put a bright tablecloth, themed decorations, and banners on top of the table. There should be cupcakes, cookies, and other sweets all around your birthday cake. With a stacked cake stand, you can raise the desserts and make the table look taller. To tie everything together, don't forget to use plates and cups that match. You can make the treats just as fun and interesting to look at as the other decorations in the room by focusing on the dessert area. DIY party favors. Thanks for coming. Party favors are a great way to make your guests feel special. You can make easy party gifts like personalized candy bags, small plants in pots, or themed keychains for a birthday party at home. You can put them on the party table or give them to people as they leave. Gifts for the party are not only thoughtful, but they also make great memories that your guests will enjoy long after the party is over. They're a cheap and simple way to make your birthday decorations more unique. Confetti and streamers. Streamers and confetti are simple ways to decorate that make any space feel more cheerful right away. Confetti can be used to decorate the floor or to show off on the tables. Streamers can be hung from the roof, above doors or windows, or anywhere else to make a statement. Streamers made of metal or glitter will add extra sparkle, or streamers made of colored paper will fit your theme. Pops of confetti and the happy look of streamers will make the party feel even more fun and lively when the birthday person walks in. Bright paper lanterns. Paper lanterns are a simple and cheap way to get your house ready for a birthday party. They make a beautiful, soft glow, whether you hang them from the roof or put them on a table. Different sized and colored paper lanterns make it easy to match them to your party theme. You can hang them alone or in groups to give your room depth and visual interest. Because they are so light, they are easy to hang without damaging your walls or furniture. This makes them a great addition to any party setup. Conclusion: by using creative decorations, you can turn your home into a fun and memorable place to celebrate a birthday. Everything from balloon garlands to do-it-yourself picture booths helps make the space fun and welcoming. The birthday person will feel extra special if the party space is made their own with banners, string lights, and themed table sets. The mood is even more festive with themed cake tables, party favors, and bright confetti. Your home can be a great place for a party with just a few easy but effective ideas. Follow, share, and leave a message to get more fun ideas for decorating for a birthday.